Hey guys, it's Bryce here, and my mom.
Hi, my name is Kelly. We wanted just to take a short minute and introduce you guys to Bryce, my son. He wants to show you all his cool Nerf guns, but yeah, I'm his mother, Kelly, and this is Bryce, and stay tuned for his upcoming video. How many guns do you have about?
60.
About 60 guns, so we're a little addicted to Nerf. It's okay.
And I got a new Nerf gun.
He sure did. So anyways, we just first want to say hello. Stay tuned for his videos.
Bye.
Bye. Did you sneeze?
Yes.
Bye, guys.